Step 3 for pillar 3 will be developing some habits to avoid common time wasters. Now, there'll be a worksheet attached to the bottom here that I want you to fill out before our next call, in which we're going to go over things that you believe are common time wasters, things that you could know in your shop where you're wasting time and you could be more efficient. Sometimes just thinking about those things and writing them down really helps you come to the realization that those things could be cut out, eliminated, or you could be doing some other things instead. So fill that worksheet out and we'll schedule the next call to go over it before we move on to the next pillar. So some common habits and things that I'm doing but that are to eliminate time wasting like habits. I like to keep track of all my quotes. Now I'm on a computer, so it's a lot easier for me. If you're not on a computer and you're still doing a paper RO system, this is going to be very hard for you. Quite unfortunate actually, because having the computer is very handy. You can put a lot of things in a Word document. You can also keep track of your common repairs for CDK or whatever program you're using. I only ever use CDK, so that's all I know. So if you're doing a repair more than twice, maybe more than 3 times, a recall, a TSB, whatever the case is, put it in your Word document, write out a good story, write out a good repair, copy paste it into a Word document, and obviously you might have to modify it for the next car, but why type up 3 sentences every time when you can copy paste it and change 3 words? So really good habit to save some time is to keep track of all your quotes, keep track of all your repairs, write them down, keep them down, and apply them to the next car where that's similar. I'm also be including all the Word documents that I use, which can be very Audi specific, but I'll include those in an accessible document, a Google Doc probably, for you guys to look through and get some examples. And then in that call that we'll go over some ways that I can help you build some of those quotes and repairs that can better help connect with customers and show that you're building trust rather than just trying to sell customers things that they don't need. So we'll go over that. We'll create you a few custom quotes or repairs, and we'll type them out and get them into a Google Doc for you so you can use those for yourself.